friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Chase from Paw Patrol for beginners. So first let's get started with the bridge of the nose. And we're going to curve this around and down on the right. Starting over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in towards the middle. And then we're going to step across, replicating that on the right, joining that at a point. Coming down directly in the center now, we're going to draw in a straight line. We're going to curve this line out, flattening this slightly at the bottom, bringing this up on the side on a diagonal. And we'll do the same on the left. And now on the side of this, we're just going to draw in a small bracket to close that off. Now we're going to draw in 3 small dots, so one on the top, and then 2 more as we come directly underneath. Now let's draw in our eyes. So as we come over on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting this from the top, bringing this around, and then in on the side. And we're going to do the same as we move over on the left. Stepping back in, starting back on this line, drawing in another circle, bringing that down on the bottom. In the center now, let's draw in another circle. And now directly in the top, let's draw in our last circle for the highlight. Now let's move up and draw in the brim of the hat. So as we come over on the left, we're going to curve this line over and across on the right. We're going to come over on both sides now, curving this line up slightly on a slight diagonal. And then again, we're just going to connect this together, bringing that in towards the center. Before we draw in the rest of the hat, let's close off our head. So as we come on the left-hand side, bringing this line down, we'll do the same on the right. Now from here, stepping further in for the cheek, we're going to curve this around and then down. And now we're going to continue to bring this down on a diagonal. So we're going to bring this down and then in, just flattening that out as we come in towards the bottom. Let's draw in the rest of the head now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line up, ending that at the same height on both sides. From this point, curving this around and then in. Again, curving that out, back in. And now one last time, bringing this over and out towards the top. Let's move across now, coming down on a diagonal, bringing that in. Again, stepping down. And then from the bottom, just closing that off, curving this down and in towards the corner. Now let's draw in our eyebrows. So from the point here, we're going to curve this out, around, and back down. And then we'll do the same on the left. Now let's draw in the rest of our hat as we move up above. So on both sides, we're going to curve this around and up towards the top. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, connecting this together in the center. And now moving up, we're going to draw in a thinner band as we bring this all the way over and across on the right. Let's draw in our ears now. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line over and out. And now from that point, bringing this down and in on the side. Let's move in towards the middle again, drawing in another diagonal line that comes out. And then again from that corner, bringing this around and in on the side. And now let's draw in the symbol in the center. So we're gonna start on the outside, curving this down. We're gonna arch this out on both sides. From the corner now, bringing this around and then in towards the middle. In the center again, curving this line up towards the top and then curving this line across. Joining this together at a point as we move down in the center. For the middle of the paw on a diagonal, drawing in a sideways oval. Directly in the center, let's draw in another oval. To the right of this on a diagonal. And then we'll do the same on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Chase from Paw Patrol. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.